Hello there, I am KX90. This is the introduction to Hoverbit part 6. Enjoy! The first thing you're gonna do is to power up the Hoverbit. Then insert the cable to the hand controller. Then press A and B at the same time to start both of the propellers. To gain more power, you need to press B until you're satisfied with the result. And to steer the Hoverbit, all you need to do is to move the hand controller to the side you want it to turn. To stop the Hoverbit, all you need to do is to press A and B at the same time once again, and that will stop the Hoverbit. And now I'm just gonna drive around with the Hoverbit. There's some crashes here and there, but that's totally fine, it's part of the fun. You have to learn by doing. And as I've explained earlier, it has been a true pleasure building this Hoverbit, and it's extremely fun to drive. I truly recommend it. This is the last episode of the Introduction to Hoverbit series. Thanks for watching, I am KX90, see you later.